Want to learn English?
Good morning, John. How are you doing today?
Good morning, Miss Sarah. I am doing fine today, thank you. What about you?
I am good too, thank you. John, you're doing great with your grammar, but sometimes you sound a bit like a textbook. If you accidentally dropped your phone right now, what would you say?
I would say, I am very sad because my expensive phone has fallen.
See? By the time you finish that sentence, the moment is over. Humans use interjections.
Interjections? What are interjections?
An interjection is a part of speech used to express strong feelings, sudden emotions, or reactions. They are unique because they are often grammatically independent from the rest of the sentence, meaning they don't have a subject-verb relationship with the words around them. Think of them as the punctuation of human emotion in spoken language. They convey feelings like surprise, joy, pain, disgust, or excitement. They usually appear at the beginning of a sentence, though they can stand alone. They are typically followed by an exclamation point for strong emotions or a comma for milder ones.
Okay, I am getting your explanation.
Now let's use some of the interjections.
I am in, Miss Sarah.
If I pinch your arm, don't give me a sentence, give me a sound.
Ouch!
Perfect. Or, ow! It's instant. Now imagine you open your fridge and find a sandwich from last month. It's green and fuzzy.
I would say, ew?
Exactly. Ew or yuck. It shows disgust without needing to explain why it's gross. The sound does the work. Now, look at this photo of a kitten in a tiny hat.
That is very easy. I hear people say that at the park all the time.
It's mandatory for anything cute. But what if the news is bad? Let's say you wanted to go to the beach, but it started pouring rain. You can use a fancy, dramatic one. Alas.
Alas, the weather has ruined our plans. It sounds very British?
A little bit. It's great for poetic sadness, or when you're being a bit dramatic about a disappointment. What if you make a tiny typo in an email?
Oops, I used that one already.
Good! It's much better than saying, I have made an error. Now, what if I ask you a difficult question like, what is the capital of Kazakhstan?
Let me think. Is it Astana?
Yes! That is vital. It tells the other person, I'm still here, I'm just processing. It fills the silence so they don't think you've stopped listening. Last two. You've been looking for your glasses for 10 minutes, and you finally find them on top of your head.
Haha, I found them, Miss Sarah.
Spot on. And when I finally explain a difficult grammar rule, and you suddenly understand it?
Oh, I see it now. These sounds make the conversation feel breezy.
Precisely. You aren't just exchanging information anymore. You're exchanging feelings. You sound human, John.
Whoa, I think I'm ready for my next lesson now.